If you were to go on testosterone for a long time, we'd often see an increase in sex drive at first. Over time, we'd often see that drop off. And people are often saying it's because I've adjusted to this high level of testosterone and my sex drive's then changed. No, what's actually normally happening is further up the chain, the natural production through hormones that then get produced into testosterone is being also shut off with this whole process. When we inject testosterone, our body senses our negative feedback loop that we have enough and therefore shuts off production. But it doesn't just shut off production of testosterone, it shuts off everything. And if you already had a low production, it's going to likely be quite low anyway. So we lose DHEA, we lose pregnenolone. Because of that, we often then see an impact in our sex drive. And one of the ways we could improve that over time, which is something I've also experimented with because I've gone through this problem, is taking HCG. Take HCG, not because we're trying to maintain fertility. That's again another topic for another video. We're actually trying to continue the production of those other hormones above testosterone to come down the chain. So then we've already replaced testosterone, now we're going to get those back producing or replace them in the same way we're doing testosterone. Because we can do that as well. You can get them in supplemental form and then we can replace the whole chain. And that will see your sex drive come back up and be maintained over long term. And generally the other benefits you're going to lose, you're going to get back. Because people think that the testosterone level's not working. It is, because we can see if someone's trying to gain muscle, for example, and they're seeing performance in the gym, their energy stays high. So all those things, we're clearly seeing testosterone is still working. It's those other things that are dropping off, and it's because it's not testosterone that's causing them to drop off. It's the fact that it's shutting off the whole chain. That's why they're dropping off. And that's a little fact that most people don't realise, but it's really, really important if you're going to go on therapy for the long term. If you can really help the algorithm by liking and commenting, that also helps too, because more people will get the chance to see these videos and then potentially change their life. Realising finally that they have a problem that is completely treatable, that they've probably been at a loss with for a very long time. So I'll catch you on the next one.